In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward your Yahoo emails to Gmail. If you prefer reading everything in one inbox or you are moving over to Gmail, setting up forwarding will save you time and make sure you never miss a message. You'll set it up once, verify it, and then let it run quietly in the background. This process works best on a computer using an up-to-date browser. Go to the Yahoo Mail site. Enter your credentials, and once your inbox loads, you are ready to adjust the settings. Keeping both Yahoo and Gmail open in separate tabs makes the process quicker. Look to the top right corner of Yahoo Mail for the small gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it. Then choose More Settings at the bottom of the panel. This opens the full settings area where you can manage accounts and delivery options on the left side. Select Mailboxes. You'll see your Yahoo account listed here. Click on your primary Yahoo email address to open its details and advanced options. Now scroll down until you find the forwarding section. In the field provided, type the Gmail address where you want your Yahoo messages delivered. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. Forwarding won't work if T here is a typo. Avoid extra spaces and make sure you are using the correct Gmail address you actively check. Only forward to an address you trust and control, because your future mail will be copied there. Click Verify. Yahoo will send a confirmation message to the Gmail address you entered. Switch over to your Gmail inbox and open that verification email. Follow the instructions in the message to confirm the forwarding request. Depending on your Gmail layout, the email might land in Updates, Promotions, or Spam. So check those tabs and folders if you don't see it right away. Once you confirm, Yahoo will begin forwarding new incoming emails to your Gmail account automatically. Keep in mind that forwarding applies to new messages that arrive after setup. Existing emails already in your Yahoo inbox are not moved by this setting. You can return to the same forwarding section at any time to update the destination, or turn forwarding off. If you don't see the forwarding option, availability can vary by account type and region. So make sure your account is in good standing and consult Yahoo's help resources for guidance. That's all you need to do to keep your Yahoo messages flowing into Gmail without extra checking. Thanks for watching.